Hi everyone, I'm going to be making a St. Patty's Day shot for you guys. Besides like the typical Irish car bombs, if you want to do something different, something fun. This one's really pretty. It's called the Irish flag shot, and it's one of those shots that bartenders love to do, which is layering. It's going to be equal parts of your spirits, and I'm going to start with half an ounce of Midori. I'm going to use the jigger for this one. That way you can kind of see already where you need to, because typically I free pour these ones. So I'm going to do a half ounce of Midori. All right. And then I'm going to layer the Baileys. And then you're going to put the spout closer to the glass. And you're going to just do it very slowly. That way it doesn't curdle. You can't rush this shot. All right. So I've got that. And then our last liquor is going to be our Grand Marnier. And then each part represents different parts of the Irish flag. And then here we have the Irish flag shot. Happy St. Patty's Day. Thanks for hanging out with us here at LV Bartenders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like, subscribe, and ring that bell button so you don't miss any future cocktail tips and industry insights, clues, tricks, all of that. Until next time, drink smart, stay creative, and we'll see you behind the bar.